what guys, today we have this 29-inch adjustable and extendable stand for kayaks, for action cameras. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the accessories that this kit comes with. First of all, to mention, it does not include an action camera, but the kit comes with these pieces that you see right here. It comes with a rod, which is extendable, okay? There you go. This is the full length of the rod. Once you actually reach the length desired, then you can actually twist it and you can lock. To unlock, you will twist to the opposite side where you actually locked it, and you will collapse the rod itself and to lock it, okay? So this rod is pretty cool. It also comes with this clamp right here where you can actually insert this two ball heads. One of the ball heads actually has a screw tied into it, okay? This is for a different purpose where you can actually put to the rod, okay? And this itself connect to the kayak, okay? So this is pretty cool. But you know, not necessarily you need a kayak for this. You know, you can actually use this as a rod, you know, for your trip. You know, if you have one of the action cameras right here, okay? This you will put right here, and then you will insert this clamp on the top, okay? And on the other end, you will insert the other ball head, okay? And you will connect, okay? This ball head, you know, will actually allow you to just put it on whatever angle you want. Now let me go ahead and insert our action camera right here. It will directly connect to the camera, so there's no additional connectors needed. It does come with the proper thumb screw. You will just twist so that way you can lock your camera in position. And like I said, you can just use it for a selfie stick. And as you see, the whole weight of the camera won't actually, you know, collapse the rod, okay? You will actually need to unlock it and collapse it in. Okay, there you go. And this, you just have to make sure that, you know, you tie it well enough so that way it doesn't move anywhere. Very useful rod, you know, I mean, it does definitely have, you know, different applications. If you actually have other accessories that have 1/4 threaded, you can actually use this rod for that, okay? And simply just screw in, you know, those accessories. And there you go. That was just for demonstration purposes. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.